Hey guys, we're going to talk about representing functions today, okay, in the real world. So I need you to go along with me. We have decided to start a new streaming service called BingeFlix. Okay, you can watch your favorite shows 24/7, but the only catch is that we charge by the number of episodes we watch. Okay, we're going to try to rip people off. We're going to see who falls for it. So things you need to know. It is $25 to sign up, and it's going to cost $2 per episode. We're going to keep using those numbers. Okay. Looking at this table, we're going to fill some numbers in. So the first person watches 0 episodes, but they still have to pay $25 because of the sign-up fee. A different person watched 10 episodes. How much are they going to end up paying? Well, it's $2 every episode, so 2 times 10, plus $25 for the sign-up fee. We're looking at $45 altogether. A different person watched 20 episodes. How much did they end up paying? $2 for every episode, so 2 times 20, plus the sign-up fee. They ended up paying $65. Another person watched 30 episodes. So 2 times 30 plus the sign-up fee. This person ended up paying $85. Somebody else watched 40 episodes. $2 per episode, 2 times 40, plus the sign-up fee. They ended up paying $105. We see it on a table. Let's go ahead and put it into a graph. So I'm going to change these into ordered pairs. And think about in your mind or actually on your paper what this would look like if it was graphed. Okay, so if we graph those ordered pairs, this is what it ends up looking like. I'm not going to write them all out, but just so you can see, so this is where they're coming from. Okay. Our rule, our equation, this is where we're going to start heading, is focusing on these rules, on these equations. So today I'm just going to tell you that it ends up being y equals 25 plus 2x. Okay. What does the x represent? Why are we doing this 2 times x? What is x representing here? The number of episodes, because we have to do 2 times every episode. So x is the number of episodes. If this is number of episodes, what is y representing? So you might just be thinking it's cost. Let's get more specific though. Let's focus on those details because cost could mean anything. We're looking for the total cost, not the cost of an episode, but y is what the total cost ends up being. Okay. And what we're also going to start looking for is we're going to start looking at patterns. So the more episodes we watch, the more it ends up costing. We've got 2 things left that we're going to do on these notes. Okay, we're talking about functions. And so we saw functions in a few different ways today. We saw it in words when we read about BingeFliX and how we were going to rip people off by charging per episode. We put our information in a table. We took our table and put it into a graph. And then we took our graph and we made a rule or an equation. So the last thing that I want you guys to think about, I want you to try. Your parents have set a strict budget of $175 for the entire year of BingeFlix. How many television shows will you be able to watch? So here's what we can spend. How many episodes can we watch? If you need a starting point, think back to the table that we set up. So we said 0 episodes was $25, 10 was 45, 20 was 65, 30 was 85, 40 was 105. How many can we watch for $175? I want to see what you guys come up with. $175. How many episodes can we watch? So you could extend your table. Okay, I moved it over here. And it would have to be between 70 and 80 because we have $175. So you could kind of mess around with then what that would end up looking like. Okay, what would 71 look like? What would 72 look like? An increase by $2 each time. Or a faster way, we came up with this equation, or I guess I gave it to you. 175 is my total cost. So I could put that into my equation and solve for X to tell me how many episodes we can watch. Okay, take the opposite of 25 would be -25. Divide both sides by 2, and we end up with 75 episodes as our answer.